Welcome back to Today in History. December 17th might seem like just another day, but it's packed with extraordinary events that shaped the world. From historic first flights to monumental political shifts, these 20 moments are sure to amaze you. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's journey through time together. You won't believe what happened on this date. Number 20. On December 17th, 1538, Pope Paul III excommunicated King Henry VIII of England. When you start your own church to get a divorce, don't expect a Christmas card from the Pope. Number 19. December 17th, 1718, saw Great Britain declare war on Spain, sparking the War of the Quadruple Alliance. When alliances quadruple, so does the drama and the battles. Number 18. On December 17th, 1790, the Aztec Calendar Stone was unearthed in Mexico City. This massive artifact was like finding the ultimate ancient clock, proving timekeeping has always been epic. Number 17. December 17th, 1835, marked the Great Fire of New York, which destroyed 530 buildings in Lower Manhattan. It was a devastating blaze that reshaped the city's landscape. Number 16. On December 17th, 1865, Franz Schubert's unfinished symphony was performed for the first time, 37 years after his death. It might be unfinished, but it's still a masterpiece. Number 15. December 17th, 1903, saw the Wright brothers achieve the first powered controlled flight at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. They soared past the competition, literally changing the course of history. Number 14. On December 17th, 1909, King Leopold II of Belgium died, and his nephew Albert I took the throne. The Congo Free State, infamous for its exploitation, began to see change. Number 13. December 17th, 1935, brought the maiden flight of the Douglas DC-3 airplane. Aviation took a stylish turn as this iconic aircraft revolutionized air travel. Number 12. On December 17th, 1939, during World War II, the German pocket battleship Admiral Graf Spee was scuttled off Uruguay to avoid capture. A naval drama worthy of a Hollywood blockbuster. Number 11. December 17th, 1944, saw the Malmedy Massacre during the Battle of the Bulge, where American POWs were executed by German troops. It remains a chilling reminder of wartime atrocities. Number 10. On December 17th, 1967, Australian Prime Minister Harold Holt vanished while swimming and was presumed drowned. No, he didn't join a secret submarine crew, but his disappearance remains a mystery. Number 9. December 17th, 1983, turned tragic when the Provisional IRA bombed Harrods department store in London, killing 6 people. Holiday shoppers were shaken by the horrifying attack. Number 8. On December 17th, 1989, The Simpsons premiered with its first full-length episode, Doe. This cultural phenomenon changed television forever and is still going strong today. Number 7. December 17th, 1991, saw Kazakhstan declare independence from the Soviet Union, becoming the last Soviet republic to go solo. A significant geopolitical shift in the post-Cold War world. Number 6. On December 17th, 1992, NAFTA was signed by the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Trade borders got a little friendlier, or more contentious, depending on whom you ask. Number 5. December 17th, 2003, The Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King premiered, later winning 11 Oscars. Middle-earth fans rejoiced as the epic saga reached its stunning conclusion. Number 4. On December 17th, 2010, Mohamed Bouazizi's self-immolation in Tunisia sparked the Arab Spring, igniting a wave of revolutions across the Middle East. One act changed the course of a region. Number 3. December 17th, 2014, marked a thaw in relations between the United States and Cuba as the two nations agreed to restore diplomatic ties after 54 years. Cue the cigars and mojitos. Number 2. On December 17, 2017, South Africa's ANC elected Cyril Ramaphosa as its leader, paving the way for his presidency. This political shift brought new energy to the nation's leadership. Number 1. December 17, 2020. Had stargazers mesmerized as Jupiter and Saturn aligned in their great conjunction, appearing closer than they had in almost 400 years. A celestial show that had everyone looking up in wonder. If you thought December 17th was fascinating, wait until December 18th. From groundbreaking discoveries to jaw-dropping twists, tomorrow's episode is packed with even more astonishing moments. Smash that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us for another thrilling dive into history's hidden gems. You won't want to miss it.